Sa video na to, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-launch ng first email campaign sa Omnisend for WooCommerce Store kahit first time mo pa lang. Hey guys, ako si Ashley at kung may WooCommerce Store ka pero hindi ka pa nag-email sa customers mo, ang dami mong kita na nami-miss out. Ang good news, hindi mo kailangan mag-copywriter o designer para makagawa ng maayos and high-converting campaign. Kaya sa tutorial na to, tuturuan kita kung paano i-connect ang WooCommerce store mo sa Omnisend, gumawa ng first promotional email and get it out the door fast without overthinking. So una, ano ba ang Omnisend at bakit siya useful? Ang Omnisend ay isang email and SMS marketing platform na ginawa talaga para sa e-commerce stores. Iba siya sa general email tools tulad ng MailChimp o ConvertKit dahil ang omnichannel may features na talagang kailangan ng isang store owner like product blocks, cart recovery, discount codes, at automated workflows tied directly to your inventory. Designed to para super seamless i-connect sa WooCommerce, Shopify, and BigCommerce so you can start setting campaigns that connect to your products in just a few clicks. Kung maglo-launch ka ng safe, magpa-promote ng product, or just wanna remind people that you're open for business, ito yung step-by-step guide para sa'yo. Step 1, kailangan mo lang mag-sign up sa Omnisend. Para makapag-sign up, gamitin mo yung special link sa description sa baba. Kapag ginamit mo yun, makakasave ka ng 30% off sa first 3 months. Nandyan lang yun kung gusto mo. Ang maganda pa, pwede kang magsimula gamit yung free plan. The free plan gives you everything you need to get started like email campaigns, sign-up forms, automation, pati product recommendations. Pag lumaki na yung list mo, saka ka na lang mag-upgrade. Ang next step ay click yung Start Now tapos mag-sign up gamit ang Shopify, Google o email. Kung gusto mong gumamit ng email, ilagay mo yung business email mo. Gumawa ng password, siguraduhin nakaselect yung e-commerce, i-check yung agree, at optional kung gusto mo mag-sign up sa newsletter nila. Then, click Sign Up. Syempre, kailangan rin talagang may WooCommerce store para makonect mo siya sa WooCommerce. Kung wala ka pang WooCommerce, meron kaming link down below where you can get a really great deal saving 73% off WooCommerce hosting. Kung meron ka nakasetup, ang gawin mo lang ay pumunta sa store settings, pumunta sa connected store, at sundin lang yung instructions nila. Sobrang simple at madaling gamitin. I-select lang ulit yung WooCommerce tapos sundan yung steps para ma-install yung Omnichannel plugin direkta sa dashboard. I-activate yung plugin and i-authenticate yung connection ng store mo at ng Omnichannel. Ilang beses mo lang gagawin to and after that, everything runs in the background. Step number 3 na tayo, which is to create a new campaign. Since connected yung store mo, ang next na gagawin ay pumunta sa campaign section, i-click yung create campaign, pwede tayong gumawa ng email, A/B test, SMS o push notifications. Pero ang gagawin natin ngayon ay create email. Dito maglalagay ka ng subject line, halimbawa Black Friday sale, o kaya naman last chance to get best deals all year. Yung campaign name pwede mong ilagay na Black Friday promo, day 10, o kung ano man ang gusto mo. Next, punta tayo sa Choose Email Template. Dito makakapili ka ng template. They have so many good ones here, so you can filter over here. Halimbawa, kung welcome and engage lang, promote products, announce a sale, which is what we're gonna use, offer a discount, so you can do that too. Pwede mo rin piliin by type tulad ng fashion and lifestyle, automation, businesses, and finance o miscellaneous. So, piliin natin yung template na to. Ngayon, i-edit natin yung template. Obviously, you wanna put in your branding and stuff like that. Dito, pwede ka mag-add ng iba't ibang elements, drag and drop lang, pwedeng text, image, logo, menu, at iba pa. Kung may save elements ka, pwede mo rin silang gamitin. Sa product section, merong personalized product recommender kung saan makikita ng recipient yung product suggestion based sa past engagement nila, which is super cool. Pwede ka rin gumawa ng standard product recommendations tulad ng best-selling products o yung mga recently added. Ang gagawin mo lang is drag that in as well. Kung gusto mo mag-add ng images, pwede rin maglagay ng header, ibang content o footer. Kung gusto mong i-edit kahit alin dito, madali lang kasi simple i-navigate. Kung gusto mong mag-add ng new item, pwede. Kung gusto mong palitan yung existing, pwede rin. Pwede rin ayusin lahat ng links dito sa gilid. Ang daming buttons na pwede mong gamitin, kaya you can customize anything and everything. Drag and drop lang ulit, sobrang daling gamitin. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, pwede mag-drag and drop ng product blocks tapos piliin yung items diretso from WooCommerce catalog mo. Pwede mong ipakita from 1 up to 4 products kasama yung image, name, price, at CTA button na automatic lalabas. This just saves you so much time when you're creating these emails at mas mukha pang professional yung dating ng email mo. Pwede rin mag-add ng short blurb, explain your offer, what makes your product special. Gawin lang conversational, hindi ito sales letter, kundi note from you to your customer. Optional din maglagay ng discount code o countdown timer. Kung may time-sensitive promo ka, may countdown timer block sa OmniSend na pwede i-insert. Pwede rin maglagay ng discount code diretso sa email sa customers. Don't forget to use it. Sobrang daling gamitin kasi drag and drop lang ulit yung discount code and you can do it unique or static. Step number 5 ay preview and test. Kapag ready na yung design ng email mo, i-click yung preview para makita how it looks on desktop and mobile. Pagkatapos, i-click yung send test. Dito makikita mo kung ano yung itsura sa desktop, kung ano rin sa mobile. Ayos, diba? Tapos pwedeng mag-send ng test email sa any email addresses na gusto mo. I-click lang yung send, then from there, just make sure that everything looks good. If anything feels off, ayusin mo muna bago i-send. Malaking bagay ang first impressions kaya importante na polished yung email bago i-send. Step number 6 ay piliin yung recipients. Since first campaign mo pa lang to, you'll probably be sending it to your full list. Pwede mo rin piliin yung all subscribers unless you already created segments. Later on, pwede nating hati-hatiin yung list based sa purchase behavior, email engagement, location, o custom tags tulad ng VIP o first-time buyer. Pero for now, simple lang muna. Send natin sa buong list. Pag okay na, i-click yung review. Ang astig sa OmniSend ay may campaign booster sila. Ibig sabihin, automatic na pinapadala ulit yung campaign mo sa subscribers who missed it initially. Ang ganda nito kasi mas dadami yung makakakita at tataas yung open rates mo dahil nire-retarget nila yung hindi pa nakikita. Solid, diba? Pwede i-on yun. Kung gusto mong baguhin yung content, pwede rin. May option ka rin gumamit ng SMS booster kung gusto mo. Para naman sa booster sending rules, pwedeng piliin kung gusto mong i-send sa hindi pa nag-open ng email o sa mga hindi nag-click. Ikaw din na magsaset kung kailan mo gustong ipadala, like 48 hours after or whatever. Pwede ka rin mag-edit ng subject line, baguhin yung recipients, at mamili kung gusto mong i-send now o i-schedule later. Piliin lang yung date and time. Pwede rin nakabase sa time zone mo o kung may location data ka ng subscribers, pwede rin sa time zone nila. Ang cool kasi halimbawa gusto mong nasa top ng inbox nila Monday morning, pwede mong iset ng 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. then click lang yung schedule campaign and you are good to go. Step number 5 ay check yung results at planuhin kung ano yung next. Punta ka lang sa dashboard, click yung overview, dito makikita yung overall picture ng lahat. Pero kung gusto mong makita yung details ng isang specific na email campaign, punta lang diretso sa campaign at i-click yung email na yun. Pwede mo makita yung link activity, contact activity on desktop, whatever it may be. Ang dami nitong useful info na pwede mong gamitin bilang data to adjust how you move forward. Recap tayo kung bakit solid si OmniSend for WooCommerce store owners. Diretso tong naglilink sa product catalog mo, automatic din kinukuha yung customer data at order history. You can design and send your first email campaign in under 1 hour. Honestly, way less than that. Yung product blocks, discount timers, and automation options ay ginawa para sa e-commerce, hindi lang basta newsletters. At higit sa lahat, affordable and beginner-friendly, plus may generous free plan to get you started. Bago tayo mag-wrap up, papakita ko saglit yung pricing plans ng OmniSend. Tulad na nabanggit ko, kung gagamitin mo yung link below at ilalagay yung code sa CharlieChang30 sa checkout, makakasave ka ng 30% off sa first 3 months. Same lang din siya sa ibang email marketing platforms. Nakadepende yung presyo sa dami ng contacts mo, pero ang maganda, pwede ka magsimula sa free plan para matest mo kung swak ba sa'yo bago ka mag-upgrade. Simulan natin sa pinaka-basic para makita mo. Yung standard plan ay bagay for growing o medium-sized business na nakafocus sa email marketing. Ang price niya ay $11.20 per month kung magbabayad ka for the 3 months upfront and save 30%. Regular price niya ay $16 per month. Kasama na dito yung 500 contacts which is malaki na compared sa ibang platforms. $1 in free SMS para matry mo. 3,000 emails per month, unlimited web push notifications, a success manager, and 24/7 support. Meron ding pro plan which is $41.30 per month, and that's if you pay 3 months upfront, so you're saving 30% if you do that. Dito may 25k contacts ka, global SMS, unlimited emails, unlimited web push notifications, kasama rin ng Success Manager 24/7 support, advanced reporting, and personalized product recommender. May bonus SMS credit rin on top of that. Gaya ng sabi ko, nakadepende ang presyo sa dami ng contacts mo. Habang lumalaki yung list, tataas din yung price. But again, you can do a lot with free plan at pwede ka nang mag-upgrade as your list grows. So ayun, if you wanna get started, I've left the link in the description. Okay guys, tapos na yung video natin. Honestly, bet ko si Omnisend. Gusto ko yung UI, yung layout, at sobrang dali niyang gamitin. Ang convenient pa kasi ang bilis lang i-connect sa store mo. Hindi naman kailangan maging sobrang fancy, basta consistent ka lang na lumalabas sa inbox ng customers mo with value and clear na offer, panalo ka na. Sana nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to. Huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel at i-drop rin yung comments at questions sa baba. Gusto naming marinig yung thoughts nyo. Ang channel na to ay dedicated to helping you find tools that make running your business so much easier without wasting time on strategies that don't work. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits ulit sa susunod na video.